on. To the later parts.
Welcome back, everybody, to the printing press and weird sacks of goo. Symbiotes
They're being
created
printing pressed.
Punch those things out. You have to do that on all these to stop the symbiotes from being created. Get that on the other side, too.
Yeah. It seems a little weird that they would need to use this human-ass technology.
No.
Spidey sense. Look at these giant paper. Look at these giant paper towel rolls.
Yeah. They're printing presses. Don't fall in them. You'll die.
In the printing press?
Yeah. Also, in the New Game Plus, they make it so that if you fall in there, it starts printing Spidey on the newspapers.
Yeah.
Which I don't know why they took that out. It's kind of weird to me.
It's like a reward for doing the New Game Plus.
Oh, a little
I
bit.
think. It's just like Easter egg stuff.
Oh, down here, I think there's like fire webbing.
That's a weird thing.
This is what I mean. This is what I mean right here.
I believe you.
Okay. I'm just telling you right now. Be careful.
Oh, there's no generator.
These are not toys, Justin.
Industrial.
Not toys, and you're playing with the boys. Spider-Man.
Yeah, one of his less popular catchphrases. They're not toys when playing with the boys. Spider-Man.
And he's got a volleyball scene. Greasy, oily dudes. See Top Gun?
No.
Top Gun's good.
Except for that scene, which is a little weird.
What?
Except for that scene, which is a little weird.
A little weird. Seems a little bit out of place. I agree. Hanging!
Fan
hang
service.
With the boys. Yeah, fan service for the women.
Yeah.
Because they're not getting anything else out of that movie. Let me tell you. Oh! I forgot all about that. Symbiotes is smart.
Chickens is dumb.
Chickens is dumb. Oh, fuck.
Oh boy. No, that's the wrong one!
Oh, God.
JK, I don't like this game?
What?
I don't like this game.
I know you don't. We're almost done.
Really?
Yeah, we're plowing through.
We're plowing this game.
I'm plowing it. Where's your
Ba
sister?
ba 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 ba. I'm plowing it.
Ba 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 bum.
Jake, how do you know everything about the New Game Plus?
Because I watched someone play through it.
I thought you'd beat it.
No, actually I didn't even watch somebody. It was a walkthrough. Like, it wasn't a,
You know, let's play.
it wasn't a Let's Play or anything like that. It's just, it just showed you everything that was new about it. It, like, cut through all that stuff.
I see. I thought you did it.
No. I didn't even know there was a New Game Plus mode. Until, like, somebody, or, it's not like a New Game Plus, it's just more like, hidden bonus features or whatever. Yeah. Thank goodness that went to the ceiling. I was done with that fight.
Yeah, I was not feeling it.
Just one.
Solamente uno más.
I don't think it's up there, though.
There's
Here,
the
roll
button
that.
now.
I hit the button.
I tried to hit the button before that somebody else gets here. Ah, god damn it.
There we go.
I don't know what that changed.
I hope it didn't close the door. Thank goodness. Oh, it opened that door. Oh. Yep, careful on that. Justin, there's a button. There's a button. Oh, there's the generator. Should have just done kid mode.
What do you mean? Kid mode. Good mode.
Kid mode!
Good mode.
I'm realizing this now. Fire webbing, yes.
Fire webbing, yes! Oh boy.
Yes, the end is in sight. Just take it away. Give it.
Where'd that symbiote run from me?
Take it away.
I want to get printed.
I don't want you to get printed.
I want to get printed.
Why?
Sometimes you gotta.
You gotta become one with the press to get rid of the bad press. There it is.
Oh boy, this is gonna be the first game we 100%. I mean, finish.
Well, yeah. We're not gonna 100% this, I can tell you that.
I want the comics.
We're not coming back to the comics. There's also some secret areas that you can find. There's like one that like has a pumpkin bomb and stuff in it.
Can you use it? Or is it just on the ground?
No, it was, remember when we were running from the police?
Yeah.
In one of the, like, crane things, it's in there.
Oh, what's it do?
Not much.
Nothing?
I mean, you just find all the comics and everything.
Oh. Like the pumpkin bomb, what does it do?
Nothing. It's just ominous that there's a Green Goblin. The Green Goblin isn't in this game. Neither is the Hobgoblin.
Yeah. My fire weapon.
But
Is this permanent or one
it
thing?
helps kill him.
Well, I was deceived.
You did not use it correctly, but if you use Impact Weapon on him now, it'll one-shot him.
You dodged it.
Did. If you get hit again, you're dead. Oh, thank
I'm gonna die in a
God.
cutscene.
Thank goodness on that one.
Escaped.
Escaped
These
out of there.
enemies are so strong.
I know. Well, I mean, I don't think that well, first off, I'm not playing. I can't gauge. Whoa. Why are symbiotes right next to fire?
Okay, man.
Anyway.
Can I get sonic webs?
No, there's no such thing as sonic webs.
That's preposterous.
It's preposterous that they're fire webs, but yeah. Hurry up. Just move on. Like, you can't fight these things.
Yeah,
Alright?
they're really
Just
strong.
get away from them. There's more fire webbing as we go along. So if you find some of that, it'll be easier to fight them. But otherwise, just don't bother. These things are too strong for you in this mode.
This is normal mode.
Yeah. And?
What is this, improv?
Yeah. Yeah. Are you just getting this on now?
Yeah, I thought this was not that.
Improvising? Improvising?
Can I,
Nope,
can I
no,
trick them to
you-
jump into it? What am I supposed to do
I
here?
don't know. Oh, this way.
Yeah.
Nah. Thank goodness. Oh yeah, there's the other Spider-Man.
Oh, hello, other Spider-Man. Can you help me out?
Dude, I don't know about you, but there's too many Spider-Men.
Too many Spider-Men. There must be a reason I'm opening this.
Yeah, I don't know, but just fuck it. Don't go that way.
I want to know.
Nope, don't go that way. Just don't bug around. Go this way.
Curiosity killed the spider. Ah!
No! It was waiting! Oh, jeez. Just let me leave!
I ain't got no beef with you.
You got some beef with me. I got no beef with you. Justin,
Yes,
here's the beef.
for dinner.
No, that way. That way. Oh, wait.
Why are you such a jerk?
No idea where the fuck. What the? Oh, it's not here.
It's a labyrinth.
It's not the heat, it's the humidity.
Nah.
Yeah, right, that was okay.
See?
Whoa, where'd he come from?
Who cares?
Aha! All I can say is get the fuck out of there.
Is this a secret room?
Damn it. I think it is. Enough with this. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I'm okay with that now. That probably opened that spot that was closed now. Oh.
I hate how they can knock me out of the air with a melee.
No, not that way, Justin. If he's got fire, you can't go there.
That's not true, I just went through a fire.
No, well, that was a different. What's the fire webbing?
Come on, man.
Not this way.
You should.
Yeah.
Did I hit this?
Nope,
Yep.
it's already done.
I did it.
Don't go up. Yeah, that's blocked off. Just hit X. Okay. Try and go to the left down here. No, not that way. The left. Right there. Take a right. Early right. This way.
Ah.
Knock that thing out. Oh no. Oh good. You can impact webbing these things out. Get out of there.
Oh, I have a spider compass. I don't know where to go.
Oh, so you gotta take the Spidey compass. Yes.
Hey, the imposter! The imposter! Come back here!
That was a powerful scene.
That's the
One filled with emotion
And the one who stole
as Spider-Man realizes there are two.
What's with this illusory wall?
What do you mean?
Suddenly the wall was just see-through.
It's an illusion.
Why? Is that Madam Web?
No. Take a guess.
I did. I was wrong.
Which enemy of Spider-Man has illusions?
The hunter.
Nope.
The vulture.
No.
Mysterio.
There you go. Mysterio.
Toffee dick.
I mean, we pretty much just spoiled what's coming up, but yeah. It's Mysterio. If you hadn't figured it out by now, it's Mysterio. It's Mysterios and me.
Pretty Mysterios, huh?
Out of my cool. And too cool for school.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta
That's
say,
the amount of
you
school
look
I've
just
described
like
you as
Except
being.
you're more angry back alley than friendly neighborhood.
Get it? Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man?
I did get that.
Shut that mouth of yours.
Now you can see
Why
it.
you a robot?
Time is
He's a Doombot.
Here it is. I like Mysterio. I think he's a good villain.
This was pretty convoluted though, right? Why didn't he do this at the start?
I don't know. Because he didn't have a gigantic arena?
supposed to be friends.
This was the whole game was leading up to me being in this arena.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Web those up. Web the things on your shoulders.
He caught me.
King Kong trick.
Nah.
Glowing conduits look like the source of his power.
Wow, what a jerk.
Yeah, just get these two.
My impact webs.
This is not a hard fight. Maybe impact weapon now? There you go, okay.
There's like no reason to have web other than impact web stuff.
After I take you down, I'm going after your boss.
Who's Mysterio's boss?
You'll figure it out. I'm not ruining it.
Doctor Strange?
No. Fuck. Dude.
This is harder than it looks. You got giant spiky wheels.
Yes.
Okay, remember the last time when you went condescending and you were like, oh, look how easy this is?
I remember. It's burned in the back of my mind.
I fucked up the cutscene.
That's okay. We already know. We already saw.
No, but like, last time he climbed to the top, but this time I interrupted it somehow.
Oh, well.
I can't target this shit. Oh, it's an arrow when it's
You
targeted.
gotta look right at it.
Ooh, look at the big master of illusion.
Come on. Jump up a little. Okay.
Hey, you finally found a costume the size of your ego.
Nah. Okay. Alright.
King Kong trick.
No, I'm not blaming you. I'm just saying. Also, this doesn't seem to be taking out all the health. Because if there's more to it, it's...
Oh, there's two of them.
Jump over.
Well, nope. Plus it's hard to impact webbing. It's... Oh, he made... Aren't these illusions? What the fuck?
Yeah, they're illusions. Hurt.
That's not an illusion then. That's a spike ball.
Now
For
you're
reals. Yeah, now I'm dead. This would be an easy fight if I weren't fighting the controls at the same time.
I suppose so. I suppose so. And you fight out and you lean and you cross and then you say, these controls are bad. But no one's listening because nobody cares. This is my nightmare.
Those glowing conduits look like the source of his power.
Do they though?
All with my
Exterminate! Exterminate! I missed. Oh no, he's gonna make spike balls.
look like Fay Ray. Put me down.
That's okay. That's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. It'll be good.
Dude, capes are out this year.
Come on. Come on.
It's just, if you would be hurt, it would be different. But he's not.
Double kill.
So I'm not.
Double kill.
There we go. Okay.
You're working for the wrong people, Mysterio.
Almost there. You know, this boss battle isn't that hard. But man, going on normal, it does make it harder.
What
the fuck?
I landed in his hand.
Oh boy.
He has one power node left.
No!
His health.
Mix is green and purple. It's hard to say.
Wait,
Is it?
I saw the health. I saw it.
Oh no.
I saw it.
Oh.
Fuck you.
Yeah!
Ah, shit.
Are you shitting?
I definitely did. Stop nipple lasering me.
I definitely did think that I beat you. Yes, that's exactly what I thought. You got me.
What?
Well. Fuck. I never...
This is mysteriously hard.
Wow. Oh, fuck. Man, I feel bad for you. I'm not even playing. I feel like... Oh, man. I feel like if I were playing back through this again and I chose, like, normal mode, I would just be mad. I wouldn't be happy all that much.
Nah, you go over it.
Hey, you finally found a costume the size of your ego.
Yeah, possibly. I don't know. You're already dead. You're already dead. Oh, hell.
Thanks, Mysterio.
It just didn't repeat the same damn thing. Quick! Aim for the dick! That's how you take down giants. Time to do a little pest control. Dude, you're doing a lot better. Doing a lot better. Get that thing. Oh, it fires lasers.
He also lifts me up. Oh, because there's nothing left to fight except those nipple lasers.
Except for nipple lasers.
Do I dodge these or?
I don't know.
I just have to keep hitting them, but they laser me.
This is weird.
I can't even impact webbing them.
Okay.
He's just so good at aiming his nipple lasers.
After I take you down, I'm going after your boss.
Oh,
I think I'm dead.
please no. Please don't be dead.
Comic book. Oh, but it's electrified.
Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna jump ahead to the last bit of health, and then we'll
No, we got it this time.
You can get it? You think so?
Yeah, sure.
Oh. Alright. I'll think about this.
Yeah, let's get a fucking... Uh-oh.
Let's get a fucking what on this?
Your executive approval for us to not skip forward.
Let me take the, yeah. You got an executive order. To fill this out, I just need you to sign here.
From Brobirds Incorporated.
Brokers Incorporated. I wish we had a building. Several people. I wish I had an intern. A sexy intern. There we go. Dude, you're burning through.
Whoops.
Oh. Spoke too soon. The whole King Kong thing. Do I look like Farrah Fawcett?
A bit.
Did?
I bet you do.
Thanks.
Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer you ever seen.
Michelle Pfeiffer.
Yeah. Is this shit electrified? What's going on? Is that fair?
Got him.
I really thought I did.
Burst your bubble, Mysterio.
I don't know what to do at this point.
You finally found a costume.
No.
No! I just wanted the health.
Oh! Now we're skipping. Skip.
What if we skip the last one and pretend this one is that one?
We won't. We'll get to the point where he has the red head, and we'll come back. Alright, we're back. Justin's on this last segment of health. I think we're back. And we're back!
I beat Lex Luthor!
Lex Luthor?
Yeah, he's purple and
Oh,
green.
yeah, he's got the purple and green suit.
Even-
Yeah! Mysterio finally beaten. Punches Globe off. Punches Knocker, Rocker.
Knock his dome off.
Speaking of babble, let's hear it. Who's behind all this?
I'll never tell you. Mysterio may be defeated.
Mysterio, don't talk.
There you go. I guess that's the end of the...
Invasion.
There are more of them.
Here we go. Invasion.
There will be more than you can imagine.
This is what's going on. This is the whole point. The symbiotes. Symbiosis.
Mysterio.
How did they convince him to do this? Does he not have the head?
No, he's got a head. It's just an illusion.
Oh.
Yeah. 65.
Watch them destroy you. Whoever your boss is, he's off his rocker.
He's off.
No one can control the symbiotes.
Correction. No one before now.
Who can control it? Cletus Jackson.
Who?
Cletus.
Cletus?
Yeah.
Cletus
Cassidy.
Cassidy. You mean Carnage?
Yeah.
No.
Madam Web.
No.
She's not an enemy.
Madam Web isn't a villain. Madam Web is a...
She's ugly though.
She's ugly.
She's basically Cruella de Vil.
I agree with that.
She wants to.
Big Dick.
That's
Big Dick Grayson.
the one.
Alright, let's see. Let's test the limitations. What do we got this time?
What
Did we try bitch?
Yeah.
Okay. Queer? Nah, queer, I think. Alright, let's just
I think
try
this
it.
is gonna pass.
Alright,
Yeah.
that's fine. I don't even care.
I'm cool with it.
I'm cool with queer going through. It's not a bad
To
word.
trap a spider.
Oh, that gave it away.
Yeah, we're gonna be hit by the trapulator.
What range?
100 yards, maybe. Easy shot.
Oh, game's over now.
He spotted me, but how could he?
Oh yeah, Punisher.
He took out
Punisher was gonna kill Spider-Man?
He was going to, but he didn't.
Punisher. Something tells me we have the same objective here.
It's always
Jarring.
yeah, to see like people talking and their lips just aren't moving. It's one of the things with these older games. You know?
Fair enough.
It really takes a lot of the oomph out of it when they don't talk.
Man, fuck you, Punisher. You're a fucking dickhead.
Helped him.
He's still a dickhead. He was gonna kill him.
Punisher, that's just Punisher. Punisher kills people. What do you
That's
want?
true.
What do you want?
The cliche.
Whoa, I saw a secret up there.
Warehouse. Although
Remember, with these generators, just use impact webbing. It takes care of them. Oh, you don't have like any web left.
Clean this place up too.
This level is straight out of Banjo-Kazooie.
What do you figure?
Holy shit, this is so much like the top of Gruntilda's factory.
How? What?
Put a screenshot up of that. Of
Alright.
Gruntilda's factory.
There it is.
It's like so similar.
What do you mean it? Alright, I don't know if I will see it or I do see it now.
Oh, it is like obvious. I think Banjo-Kazooie came first, but that's in Banjo-Tooie, so I don't know.
No, Banjo-Tooie? Yeah, I'm not quite sure when Banjo-Tooie came out.
Either way, it
Not
is
big bucks.
shockingly similar.
Never played it before.
Dude, like, holy moly. I feel like, oh, that is shockingly similar to that room.
Huh.
Oh my goodness.
There's no more webbing in here. I don't know why the fire webbing doesn't give you a cartridge, but it doesn't, and that's bullshit.
Let me use it.
There you go, see?
Oh, that's hardcore.
Put some on
Okay.
fire and then they go.
He knocked me down.
Yeah, I know. Oh boy.
Not enough webbing.
Nope.
Oh, it does regen. The web regens.
The web regens?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it doesn't give you any more cartridges to go through here. Which is bullshit. Oh, well, I mean, it fills up the whole thing.
Yeah.
That's
This is secret.
Spidey armor.
Haven't used the Spidey armor much before.
Yes. I only had it like twice in the game. Oh,
Yeah,
we
probably
really
just
could
been-
use that in the fucking bugle.
Yeah, it would have been really good against Scorpion.
Yeah, it would have been good. There's no more in here. Just go through the hole in the wall.
Which hole in the wall?
You know, this way up. The game literally giving you hints.
Oh, hey. But I had to go down.
Hidden passage.
Oh, there we go. Not that threatening now, are you?
Now that you are dead,
I wouldn't just impact webbing it.
I tried. I couldn't do it.
It didn't?
It's hard to get it to recognize it.
There we go. You should get the fuck out of here. Just
See?
avoid these. Oh,
See?
wait, we still have fire webbing. There, web cartridge over there.
In this direction? I guess
Yep.
that's the only thing we do. Flame Neo.
Oh, Flamio, Kital, Baro. Oh,
You were right.
yep.
I thought there was gonna be a flaming web in there.
Golden.
Ah, fuck. Oh yeah, I wonder what this is gonna do. Oh, yeah, just as I imagined. Explode in my fucking face.
I thought it was different.
Newsflash. One buddy.
Later days, buddy.
Stop being white.
I'll never stop being white.
Those are our words, Justin.
Am I not white?
Not white enough.
Whoa. Whoa.
Leave me alone.
Why? Because I'm not white enough?
No, what? No. Well, maybe.
Shit.
Oh, well.
What the hell fits up
Just
there?
go through that. You're just gonna get shot down. You're just gonna die, Justin.
At this point, I have to get it.
Well, I guess you're not gonna die if you got health.
Still a net loss, I think.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, just impact weapon it.
Okay, dude, but
Impact
the problem is...
impact weapon the symbiotes. You have enough for it. Oh my gosh.
The thing is, I have to be looking directly at them.
Yeah, I know.
And the camera's not that easy to position.
Duct airflow down below. Checkpoint!
Enormous ventilation shaft. Must be something big down there.
Something big down there. Big ideas, big corporations. Something stinks
Big
of big business. Big dicks.
Okay.
Yep, can't go that way.
Alright.
I like the concrete, the dripping water, very nice.
What concrete?
Well...
Spider sense tingling.
It wasn't wrong!
Really is. Really good, Justin.
I was looking for somewhere to die.
Yeah, you needed more webbing and everything anyway.
An
It's good that
HP.
you made it through the way that you did.
Enormous ventilation shaft.
Must be something big down there. We've already been over this, Spider-Man. Don't tell me what I already know.
Concrete, the dripping water, very nice.
Motherfucker, what are you talking about?
I don't see no dripping water. I don't see no concrete. Go down there.
I'm going down.
Oh. You did it. You went down there anyway.
Yeah.
You feel big?
This is it.
Yes.
Good. Geronimo, an Indian village or something. Indian type.
I don't have the answer you're looking for.
I think it is.
I think everything is an Indian village.
I have a rush. Big time rush.
What the fuck are you talking about?
It's time for, I think, a next time.
Okay, we can do that.
Alright, next time we come back, more of an ancient underground laboratory with somebody at the end to face and fight.
You said it wasn't the Green Goblin or Hobgoblin. You said it wasn't the Lizard. It's Mysterio's boss.
Yeah.
Dr. Octopus.
Ah, damn it!